Dear children, in this video, let's see the introduction of shapes and angles. Second chapter, shapes and angles. Let's see the introduction of this chapter. Shapes around us. Just see around you. Look at the wall. Look at the floor. Look at the window. Look at the door. Look at your note and book. Everywhere you can see shapes. In your living room, in your bedroom, in your studying room, in your bathroom, everywhere you can see geometrical figures, that is shapes. Shapes around us. You take a pencil and a page, just write anything. It can be a letter, it can be a number, it can be a drawing. Whatever you scribble on the page, straight line or curve, whatever you scribble on the page, it is called curve. In mathematical term, it is called a curve. See, look at these. All these are called curves. Open and closed figure. Open and closed curve. A closed curve starts and ends at the same point. See, look at this closed curve. You are starting to draw the shape and you're drawing like this and you're finishing here. So a closed curve starts and ends at the same point. An open curve does not start and end at the same point. You're starting from here, you're drawing this and you're ending at another point. So in open figure, the starting and ending point will be different. Let's learn about lines, line segment and rays. Before going to learn about this, let's see about a point. A point has no size or shape, just position. A point has no dimension. It just shows the position. Point M, point N, point A. A point has no dimension, no size or shape. Next one, a line. A line is a straight path of points that has no beginning or end. See, this is a line. This is point X and point Y. And beyond the point Y and beyond the point X, the line goes endlessly both the sides. So a line has no endpoints. A line has no endpoints. It goes endlessly both the sides. Line XY has no points. Next one, a line segment. A line segment is a portion of a line that has two endpoints. A line segment has starting point and ending point. So AB is a line segment. Even look at this line. You can hear from this line you can find a line segment, that is AB. So the line segment can be measured because you know the starting point, you know the ending point. So the line segment can be measured. The length of the pencil. So the pencil is a line segment because you can measure the length of the pencil, length of an eraser, and length of your book, length of the laptop, length of the or length or width of the mobile. Whatever can be measured, it is a line segment. The length can be measured, no, which is called a line segment. So line segment has 2 points. The next one, ray. Ray is a portion of a line which has one endpoint and extends forever in one direction. See, a ray has only one point. This is starting point. You know the starting point, but the ending point we cannot find. Ending point you cannot find because the one side we have, another side it goes endlessly. So ray also cannot be measured. A point has no size or shape. Point has no dimension, just it shows the position. A line has no endpoints. A line segment has two endpoints. A ray has only one point. Simple closed curve. We have seen what is a curve. Whatever you scribble on the page, that is straight line, curved line, whatever you scribble on the page, it is called a curve. Closed curve means starting point and ending point will be same, that is closed curve. Then what is simple closed curve? A closed curve that does not cross itself is called a simple closed curve. See, these are all called simple closed curves because all are closed curve. It is not crossing itself. You can see that complex curve. Here you can see the intersecting. It's crossing itself. It is intersecting itself. See, you can see the cross symbol here. So these are complex curve. These are not simple closed curve. Simple closed curve that does not cross itself. 2D or plane or flat shapes. All these are plane shapes, flat shapes, two-dimensional shapes because you can see only the flat surface, plane surface, and two-dimensional mean length and breadth. So these are called plane shapes. 3D shapes, three-dimensional or solid shapes. Cylinders, cube, cuboid, cone, prism, pyramid, all these are called solid shapes, three-dimensional shapes. These shapes can hold something inside it. You can fill something inside this. That is three dimension, length, breadth, and height or weight. So then something can be filled in these. That's why these are called solid shapes. Next one, polygons. Poly. Poly means many. Guns means sides. Poly means many. Guns means sides. Many sided shapes are called polygons. Many sided shapes are called polygons. A simple closed curve which is made up of only line segment is called a polygon. All these are polygons. All these are simple closed curve because it's not crossing itself. A simple closed curve that does not cross itself. You cannot find the cross symbol in these. So a simple closed curve which is bounded by, which is made up of only line segment. You can see only straight lines. I mean straight lines in the sense line segment, which is made up of only line segment is called a polygon. Here circle, oval, then semicircle and all not polygons because they are not bounded by line segment. That's why they are not called polygons. Let's see briefly about the types of polygons. With single line segment, you cannot get any closed figure. With two line segment, that is by joining two line segment also, you cannot find a closed figure. But when you join three line segments, see 1, 2, 3. When you join three line segment, you can find a closed figure. That is a simple closed curve. So three-sided polygons are called triangle. So a polygon begins from three line segment. A polygon begins from only three line segment. So three-sided polygons are called triangles. Tri means three, angle. This shape bounded by, this shape has three angles. That's why triangle. Four-sided polygon, quadrilateral. Four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. Quadri means four, lateral means sides. See, look at all these shapes, four sides, one, two, three, four, and four angles. So all these are called quadrilateral, but each and everyone have different names because all these are different because of the angles only. In here, all these are quadrilaterals because each and every one have four sides and four angles. That's why four-sided polygons are called quadrilaterals. Five-sided polygon. Five-sided polygon. A polygon means what? A simple closed curve bounded by, that is made up of only line segment. So all are line segment, but how many line segments are there? 5. Then mean this is called a pentagon. Five-sided polygons are pentagon. Penta means 5. Gun means side. Six-sided polygons are called hexagon. Six-sided polygons are called hexagon. Hexa means 6. Gun means side. So, six-sided polygons are called hexagon. Seven-sided polygons are called heptagon. Seven-sided polygons are called heptagon. Eight-sided polygons are called octagon. Eight-sided polygons are called octagon. Octopus has 8 legs. Octa means 8. Gun means sides. So eight-sided polygons are called octagon. Nine-sided polygons are called nonagon. Nine-sided polygons are called nonagon. Ten-sided polygons are called decagon. Ten-sided polygons are called decagon. Like this, 11 side, 12 side, we can find many. So till now, 10 sides are sufficient.